सक्सेस आपकी सफलता की चाबी क्या है? लेट्स स्टार्ट द पॉइंट. I think success आपकी is a hard work. Who will do hard work, then he will become a successful person. And who people will not do hard work, then surely he will not able to become a successful person. And for become a successful person, you will have to sacrifice more and more. And so many problems come in your life, and so many things will stop you. But you will have to ignore that. And if you do as, then surely you will become a successful person. And money and your family members' stress will stop you most. But still, you will have to ignore that. And so many students say that I don't have money and I have a mood problem. I don't have money, but I have a mood problem. So I can't speak. So I can't do anything in my life, and I will not able to do anything in my life because I have a mood problem. But you should not speak this, and you should not speak positive. You should not think positive. If you will think positive, then you will do positive. But if you will think negative, then surely you will do negative. And you should not say that I can't do this. I can't do this. You should not say this. But you should say that I can do everything. I can do everything. And for become a successful person, and for my goal, I can do everything, and I will do. And if you will think as, then surely you will become a successful person. And if you will think that I have a mood problem, I don't have a money, but I can do everything. And I will able to do everything. I will able to do everything in my life for my future, and for my goal, for my success of key. And you will not, and you should not think negative. And so many people think that now I will rest, and after that I will read. Now I will rest, and after that I will read. This words is a very bad words, and everyone should not speak these words, because if you say that now I will rest and after that I will read, then surely you will rest always, and you will not able to read, and you will not able to become a successful person. And if you rest now this time, then after that you will have to do hard work more than more. And if you do hard work now this time, then surely you will have to then surely you will get rest after that. And everyone know, and everyone will know you. If you do hard work now this time, everyone will know you, and your parents, your family, your parents, and your teacher, your principal, your family, and you yourself will proud of you, and you will call a successful person. But you will have to do hard work now this time in your schooling time, in your graduation time. So you should say that I will do hard work now this time. I will not do rest now this time. I have to do hard work now this time. And after that surely I will get rest.
Good clap for Mansi.
What is the knowledge? I think I know what is the knowledge. You know what is the knowledge. We know what is the knowledge. Your parents know what is the knowledge. Mansi know what is the knowledge. Sivangi know what is the knowledge. Kajal know what is the knowledge. Your father know what is the knowledge. Everyone know what is the knowledge, but anyone don't want to do hard work. But everyone wants to read and speak and learn. So everyone need to read and learn and practice.
Good clap for Hello.